Hi, this is Ashik and you're watching Techno World Rahmat. Before talking about today's video, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications of latest videos. Today we'll talk about the PowerPoint presentation again, but we will remove background from the pictures in the PowerPoint presentations. This is going to be interesting. Let's get started. You have to write in the search menu here PPT, press enter. You will get to the PowerPoint presentation in a moment. Okay, we are here on the PowerPoint presentation. Press the blank one because we want that blank presentation. Let's take this template and we'll press delete here. Now what you have to do, today we'll deal with the pictures and we want to remove the background from the pictures with the help of our presentation. Let's take one picture from the system. Okay, let's take this picture and insert here. Now you can see there is a background behind this picture and we want to remove that background. Now I'll tell you the simple way how you can do that in the PowerPoint presentation, because if you see nowadays there's a trend that people are using the pictures without the background. So that's what I want to tell you today, how you can do that, and that too in PowerPoint presentation, and you can make your thumbnails in the PowerPoint presentation as well. It's always easy to work with the laptops because you're using mouse here. So what you have to do, we have inserted a picture here. Now when you double click on the picture, you'll get this interface here, which is that's all related with the picture. You can do all kind of stuff with your picture. You can change borders, you can compress picture, you can do so many things here, but today we'll talk about the remove background. So what I have to do, we have to press the remove background. Now you can see it has taken almost everything from our picture, but we don't want, you can see here it has just retained this part of the picture and the rest all will be deleted, but we want the other areas of the picture as well. For that you have the tools available here. You can see mark areas to keep the area which you want to keep. You have to mark that, and if it has removed, mark areas to remove. And if you want to remove some areas, you can remove that with this minus, and this is showing the plus. Okay, and if you want to delete that marked area, you can delete it with this, and discard all change. If you want to discard all your changes, you don't want to keep any changes there, this will be the option, and keep changes, and this will be the option. Now what we have to do, because it has taken the other parts of useful part of a picture, we have to click on this mark areas to keep. Now we have to mark that area which we want to keep. So this is the area which we want to keep. Okay, and after then what we have to do, we have to keep that area as well. Okay, now the internal parts. So if you see now, we have got almost all our parts from the, but it has it will show us this portion as well. We want to remove that now. So what we have to do, mark areas to remove. Now again mark this area till here. Now this portion will be removed. Here you have a little bit as well, you can mark that as well. That's removed here. You have that portion available here, that will be removed as well. Now we want to keep all those changes. If you want to delete the marked area, you can delete it with this option. So you have to press, if you want to discard all these changes what we have done, you can do this with this option. We'll keep changes. Now you can see the background has been removed from the picture, and you can do it a much better way. You can select that portion as well, because it has taken that small portion from the background as well. Now you can use this picture, you can crop it a bit. You can use this picture in your thumbnails or your YouTubes, or wherever you want to do. You can put another background behind this picture. So this is all how you can remove background from your picture, and I hope you like the video. Please subscribe the channel and like the video as well. Thanks a lot.